This train is such a technological accomplishment.
I bet it's not faster than Accelerate.
Come on, Ben.
Whoa! I'm not comfortable with these modifications.
Hey, you made an agreement with the boss. I'm just following orders.
This is still my train. We may have made a deal, but these experiments he's doing may compromise the structural integrity.
I'm just doing what I'm told. Talk to him.
I intend to.
Experiments?
And she's gonna meet with that investor. We have to get to the bottom of this.
What in the world?
I didn't know Helen Troy was into dance clubs. Well, looks like this is the end of the tracks.
Oh yeah? I swiped the guard's key card.
Ooh, Gwen breaks the rules.
It's for science.
It's the control room! Kids aren't allowed here. Please return to your seats, otherwise I'll be forced to call security.
I still had a few, follow-up questions from earlier.
No time for questions. Wait, aren't you Max Tennyson's brood?
Oh, yeah. I just wanted to ask about the mysterious benefactor. You were always upfront about your investors in the past.
Listen, Gwen, running a company can get difficult.
And when your ideas start to seem too risky for your typical investor, you tend to reach out for help from people with a similar vision.
Decibel?
That's right. I helped to build this sound energy train. She may be smart, but she needed my amplifying tech to make this thing a reality. But unfortunately, I'll have to ask you to leave the control room. We're about to see how fast this train can really go.
What? We're not ready for that kind of test. This train is full of passengers.
Oh, we're doing the test, and if you try to stop me, I'll wreck your little company from the inside out.
You can't do this!
Gwen, make sure the other passengers are safe. Heat blast is gonna fry this hype train.
Don't say hype.
I don't think so, kid.
Sorry, I don't speak sign language.
Oh, that hurt.
Lord Decibel! You're putting everyone on this train in danger! Helen! Don't go along with this!
It's out of your hands, Troy. Let the real show begin. Now things get interesting.
I made it.
This is what I call an energy boost!
Please, Helen! You've got to stop him!
I don't think you understand how long it took to build this company. The sweat and the tears that went into it. All thanks to Mr. Decibel backing my inventions when no one else would.
You're Phil's protege. You're more than capable on your own.
Sometimes sacrifices need to be made for the greater good.
I'm pushing Accelerate to his limits and can still barely keep up.
Finally, we're dropping a beat.
Hey, jukebox for brains!
What? Are you kidding? At these speeds?
No, he's going to ruin everything.
Not if I have anything to say about it. Let's take this party off. Now this is the kind of plan I can jam out to.
Excuse me, Mr. Decibel. Maybe we could work something out.
Oh, Helen. I'm not here to negotiate, love. You wouldn't have been able to build this train without my funding. You can trust your company in my hands. Just imagine making a Sonitrain that could go beyond the speed of sound. You breaking a new barrier, getting passengers from Michigan to Taiwan in mere minutes.
That does sound amazing. What a future that would be.
Future? I'm talking about right now.
Now? I haven't built a Sonitrain like that yet.
With my body modifications, we have.
This train can't handle speeds like that.
How about we find out? I can feel the bass drum!
Mr. Decibel, please stop!